Hello friends, in the last session we have understood advanced digitization options available with ArcGIS Pro for line feature. In this session we will understand what are the advanced digitization options for the polygon feature. So let us start with the project. I have opened up the project in which we have digitized polygons in the earlier session. Today we will understand some advanced options. So I'm going to edit menu and let us see what all we have. So here in the tools panel, if you click on this drop down, there are multiple advanced options available. We will understand one by one all the options. So let us start with the first option, that is moving a feature. So to move a feature, I'll select the feature that I want to move. So I'm using this select button and I've selected this feature. Now when I click on this move, it will open up a panel. You can see a panel has been opened and there are some buttons available at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see there is a point mark with the center and I just have to pick up and drop somewhere. So I just have picked up that feature and I am dropping it here. So this feature has moved from X location to Y location. Now to finish this, I just have to click outside. So this feature has been moved. You can see it is modifying the feature and now it has been moved here. So similarly, I can select not only one feature, but I can select multiple features also. You can see over here, I have selected multiple feature and now I can move all of them together to a different location. Just click outside to finish the move operation and you can see the feature is moved to a new location. It is very simple and user-friendly way to move a feature. Let us see what next we have. We have a rotate function. So again, let me select some feature and now I am selecting a rotate option from here. You can see there is a yellow button at the center. That yellow point is nothing but a pivot point based on which the feature will be moved. So right now this is a pivot and this is a moving handle. So if I move the feature, it will be moved based on the yellow pivot point and you can see it is rotating. System is also showing me the preview. Now if I release, the feature will be moved like that. When I click outside, feature geometry will be updated as per the rotation that I have selected. Now how to change this pivot point? So select the feature and now press the control button on your keyboard and then you can pick up this pivot point and place it somewhere. So I have placed it in one of the edge of the building rather than center. And now if I rotate, you can see the feature is rotating from the different pivot point rather than a center. So I can just rotate the feature like this and now I will release it. Click outside to finish the function and now you can see the feature geometry has been modified as per the rotation which I have selected. So this is a rotate function. Let us explore what all we have. Apart from rotate, we have scale function. We have seen scale function in the line editing session. Select the feature and then select the scale option. You can select the scale option from here as well. And then you have various scale handles from which you can pick up and drag it to scale the feature. I am selecting this point and then you can see it is scaling. So when I release it and click outside, the geometry will be updated. So this is how you can scale the feature. Let us see, after scale, we have move to function. Now move to is more or less similar to move function. In case of a move to, you can provide x and y coordinate by which you want to move the object. So you can specify the coordinate or x and y displacement based on which it will be shifted. So it is more or less similar. Edit vertices we have already discussed. Let us see one more time. Select the feature, click on the edit vertices. Now it will show the vertices already available in the feature. Now I can modify the vertices. So let me just update the vertex, move this vertex. So I can just pick up any vertex and I can move it. So this is how I am modified. You can see previous location of the vertexes and previous feature shape. I have modified it. Just click outside. The feature geometry will be updated, and now this is the modified feature geometry. So this was edit vertex. Now I have selected the feature, and let us see what all options that we have. After edit vertex, we have reshape. Let me show you how it works. Just click on the reshape, and now your cursor will change. So what you have to do is, if you want to reshape this selected feature, you just have to draw a line. Let me click on start point and end point, double click to finish. Now when I double click and finish, the feature will be cut as per my line. You can see, so this portion has been cut from the feature, and now feature has been reshaped. So if you want to change the shape somewhere, let me cut one more time. Just click, this portion will be cut and feature is reshaped. So this is the function of reshaping a feature. So this is how I can keep on shaping the feature as per my requirement. So this is about a reshape feature. Now let us see what all we have. Transform. Let me explain you how transform work. So let me select some other feature. So I'm selecting this feature, and now I want to use transform function. So here it will ask me to create some links based on which the feature will be transformed. So here I have to select add new links. I've selected that option, and now I can create the links based on which the feature will be transformed. So let me create the links. Say I want to transform this feature from here to here, and I will provide the coordinate. So this coordinate should move to this coordinate, and like that I will provide all 4 coordinates that I want them to move. And I have already enabled snapping. So whenever I'm clicking on this feature, it is snapping to the right location. And now I have provided 4 links to the system, and now I just have to click transform. So feature is transformed from X location to Y location and perfectly based on my links. And now you can see it is perfectly sitting over here. I will just click the clear button, and now the feature is transformed. So this is how you can transform not only one feature. You can have multiple selected feature and you can easily transform. Let me show you for multiple features. We will quickly do it. I have selected 4 features, and then I want to transform. I already clicked on the add new links, and I will transform these 4 features from here to here. So let me provide links one by one. Very quickly I will provide the links. You can see provide the link is very easy and user friendly. Snapping is helping me to select the perfect location of the feature. I have already provided 4 links. Now just click on the transform. So you can see the feature has been transformed to a new location, and when I click clear, we will be able to see the feature at a new location. You can see the multiple feature can also be transformed using this transform function. I hope you have understood this thing. Let us see what all we have. We have already seen split function. during the line editing. Let us understand here also. So now I will select this feature. Say I want to select this feature and I want to split it. So once I select, split function is available here. I have to select the split function and now my cursor will change. Again, like reshape feature, I have to draw a line based on which I want to split. Just double click outside and the feature will be split into two based on my line that I have digitized. Again, if I want to cut these two features together, just draw a line, double click outside and it will be split. So this is how you can split the feature. Now instead of splitting one by one, if I want to divide this feature in 4 equal parts, how can I do it? As I said, you can use divide function. So I have selected this feature and now this time instead of split, I want to use divide. And I want to divide this feature into 4 equal parts based on the area. So it will give proportional area, equal area, and I want to divide into 4 parts. So I've selected that and then choose a polygon edge to set up the direction. So whether I want to divide in this direction or in this direction. So I've selected this edge. So feature will be divided into this direction and probably you can see the preview with a dotted line. Let me switch off the satellite image and you can see this dotted line is showing me the preview how feature will be divided into 4 equal parts. And when I say divide, the feature will actually be divided and you can see now single feature has been divided into 4 equal parts. If I clear and select individual feature 1, 2, 3 and 4. The feature has been divided into 4 equal parts. Let us see some more functionalities. Clip function. Let us understand the difference between a split, clip and reshape feature. Sometimes when you want to have a hollow polygon, then you can use the clip function. So I am creating an outer polygon. You can see I have created a polygon like this. This is agricultural land, but within that there is some residential area as well. So I want to create a hollow region within this agricultural land. So what I will do is I will create another feature. Say this building. I have created another feature, this building, and now I want to have a hollow region within this agriculture area. So this building has been selected. Now I will go to clip functionality and then I would say that discard the area from this agriculture area, and now I am using clip function. So it has been done, and now if I select this feature and if I delete it, there is a hollow inside this agriculture area. So there is an outer polygon and a hollow region. You can see the building has been discarded from the polygon. So this is how I can use a clip function to create a hollow feature. So now within one feature I can have multiple such hollow areas. Like I can digitize one more region over here. Like I have one more building. So I am digitizing a new building, and I also want to discard this area from the total agriculture area. So I have selected this. Now I'll use this clip functionality. I want to discard the overlapping area and use clip. So it has done the job. Now I just have to either I can move or delete. Just to show you, I am moving this feature. I have selected the feature and I am moving it aside. So what will remain if I click outside? We have our agriculture area with hollow for a particular building. So now agriculture area and residential area are separate. They are not overlapping. So this is how you can use clip functionality to create hollow regions. Now if you want to place it back, you can use this transform functionality. Let me show you. I have selected the feature. I want to transform it from here to here. If you try to just pick it up and drop it, there may be some gap. So I have created almost all the links that are required to transform the feature perfectly. And now I just have to click transform. So this feature will be transformed to its particular location without leaving any gap. Rather than having two different features, if I want to merge it with the main agriculture area, then what I should do, let me select this inner polygon, click the shift button and select this agriculture area, and then we have option of merging the polygons. Just click on the merge button. The polygons are merged and now you can see there are no two separate polygons. Both the polygons are merged into a single one. I hope you are finding these lectures useful. If you are watching this video till this point, please consider liking and subscribing. This will keep us motivated to create more such video. See you in the next session. Till that time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.